Hi Oliver, what is up guys? Billy Mac here once again. Told you I was going to do the unboxing video. My fishies. That's one box. And this is the other. The other box that is out there is primarily all fishing poles. Like I said, in that other box is nothing but a bunch of fishing poles, push buttons, and a couple of these ready to fishes. You know, that has the tackle box. Oh, I opened it. So I got a whole bunch of these in that other box. I got some in here. So, I mean, a fishing pole is a fishing pole. Like I said, if I can get more of these, I might do a challenge video where I use this pole, this line, and only things in this tackle box, which I think would be kind of fun. What do we got here? Oh, yes, okay. So these are 7-inch lures. These are nice, actually. Rubber lures. I like it because you can you hook down here or you can attach up here, whichever you prefer. 7 inches. That's, we'll make a good buck off these. That's another one. Like I said, guys, we'll probably do like a video giveaway one day when it comes to some of the stuff. We haven't got that far yet, so I don't know yet. Oh, these are nice. Some hurricane swim baits. 5 in a package. It's nice. Got a whole bunch of them. I'm not too sure about these. These may not be a top seller just because of their size. They're small. But you never know. It's one of those things where you just never know. I mean, this could be well worth it. I have no idea. They're small. They're probably, well, they're 3 inches. So. Okay. These are also 3 inches. This has got more girth on the body for a bigger fish. This is small tail, smaller hook. I guess if you have nothing else to fish with. Oh wow, different colors. Some more of these 7-inch lures. These things are, as I drop things, these things are gonna sell all day long for 14 bucks, 15 bucks. I'm sure they're worth more than that online, but I'm just looking to sell products, so I'm looking to do. You gotta have these. I got a whole bunch of floats, or daubers, as some people call them, or bobbers, or I've been to one part of the world where they call them corks. And get some trout bait, some good old. Up here in Rhode Island, a lot of people will take these marshmallow baits, run them up, drop them in the water, fish bottom. Oh yeah, got a whole bunch of them. What flavor are they? Doesn't say. Oh wait, cheese. That's cheese? Looks like red snot. Oh, that's right. I remember this. This is a nice fishing kit. this is a free gift the company gave us when we bought on the product. Oh, these are gonna do awesome out during the saltwater time, during the ocean. Oh, this would be amazing. I don't know if this coloration will do good. I think the pink and the blue will do much better. But if you're a guy from Florida and you're up here visiting and you're like, oh, I'm gonna take this back home, this will hit big down there. So that's most of the stuff. Like I said, the other box is filled with. I got like 5 or 6 push buttons. I think I got a total of 10 of these ready to fish, but it's 2 species. This one's multi-species trophy. The other one I think is pike. And the reason why I got pike is because the perch up here. I'm sorry, the pickerel up here are similar to pike. They react the same, they fight the same, they look the same. So, and I think, in all honesty, if we're at a flea market or, you know, a trade show, you know, these fishermen, these people that are going to buy it, you can use it for multi-purposes. I'm sure bass will hit it, you know, something along those lines. But we got some new stuff. On top of some old stuff, it's buried out in the other fishing supplies. We got some like some other poles, and we got you know, sinkers and stuff like that. But we're gonna take this business and run with it. Do all this outdoor stuff. Now the flea market isn't until March. So unfortunately, can't do any of that flea market videos that I want to do as of yet. But as soon as we get close to that time, I'll take you with me, and I'll take you to any of the vendor shows that we do. That's pretty much the boxes. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Sorry, my kitchen's a mess. I'm doing this in the kitchen. In the meantime, guys, I'll catch you next adventure. I have that magnet coming from the magnet fishing. We'll be doing that video shortly. So, that's the business stuff end of this. The adventure part of it will be coming up soon. And see you next time.